Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Erwin Escudero. You're here in Quantum Metal presentation. You are here in the Power Group team. So let's start. Preserve and enhance your wealth with gold. So bakit gold ang pinag-usapan natin? No? Number one, it's a precious metal and limited natural resources. So alam natin, mahirap pag-mine ng gold. No? On the average, you have to mine at least 1 ton of soil to get just 2 grams of gold. So it takes a lot of money, a lot of resources to mine gold. Second is used as money to exchange and represent wealth. So if we go back to history, the real money is gold, no? Hindi yung paper money natin, kasi yung paper money natin is just a claim stub that we have a stored gold in the bank, no? Parang it's a representation that we have stored gold in the bank. But the government decided that they printed money. Instead of using gold as for payment, we use the paper money, no? So they printed money twice, kahit lang isa lang yung stored na gold. Pero dumating yung panahon, they printed so much money without even a backup of gold. So yun ang nangyayari ngayon, especially like for example, the US dollar. 1971, President Nixon took out the gold standard. So wala na pong backup na gold yung US dollar. Pero the problem is, all the currencies around the world, ang ginawa nating backup currency is the US dollar, no? So, wala na pong backup ng gold yung US dollar 1971, no? So kaya po magkaka-world inflation tayo, no? Especially during pandemic, first world countries printed so much money, no? Just to speed up the economy, no? So ngayon po magkaka-world inflation tayo. Store of value and it doesn't corrode, no? When you say money, ang meaning of money must be a store of value. Pero yung paper money natin, if we store it in a vault for 10 years, nawawala po yung value. No? In fact, the pesos lost already 98% of its value. So, if you store gold in a vault for 10 years, tumataas yung value. No? So, therefore, the real money is gold, no? Hindi yung paper money natin. No? Portfolio diversification with negative correlation to stocks and other financial instruments. So, ang gold, hindi po sumasabay sa movement ng real estate, ng stock market, ng other financial instruments because gold has its own value. So, in fact, if we go back to history again, every crisis is always the gold that will do the accounting, no? Meaning, ang gold ang mag-correct, no? If there is crisis, no? So, ngayon, we are expecting there is crisis coming, so expected natin the price of gold will go up. And hedge against inflation and fiat currency, no? Every time tataas yung inflation, the purchasing power of our money goes down, no? Kaya po, hindi naman tumataas yung mga presyo ng bilihin natin, but it's our money that is going down. If our money is going down, people tend to transfer their wealth to gold, no? Kaya po, napapansin natin ngayon, marami na pong nililipat yung pera nila sa gold because gold is a safe haven, no? Okay, and tax-free advantage. And you can see here, this is a 10-year gold performance of gold. So nakita natin dito, tumataas talaga yung presyo ng gold, no? It's an uptrend, no? Although yung presyo ng gold may movement, but in the long term, it's always an uptrend. So I can remember 2008, no? That was only around 900,000 per kilo, but today it's around 3.5 million per kilo, no? 3.5 million pesos per kilo. Tumataas talaga yung presyo ng gold. Buying gold is an exchange of currency, no? According to the owner, it is an exchange of currency if we buy gold. But if you buy jewelry, you are spending. Bakit spending? No, it is an expense. Why? Because you're paying for the labor, you're paying for the craftsmanship, you're paying for the workmanship, you're paying for the markup of the dealer. So it will end up more expensive if you buy jewelry. But if you buy gold bullion, meaning the pure gold, what you're paying for is the real value of the gold, no? So kaya po in-exchange lang natin yung pera natin with gold. Okay, the name of the company is Quantum Metal. It started in business in July 30, 2012. The largest gold bar supplier in Malaysia, no? They provide only bullion gold, no? So only pure gold, wala po tayong ibang klase ng gold dito. Only pure gold. And of course, it is certified by LBMA. Lahat po ng gold dito is LBMA certified, London Bullion Market Association. Quantum Metal is also providing gold sa mga bangko sa Malaysia because banks in Malaysia are also selling gold, no? And Quantum Metal is in 16 countries, expanding to 60 countries around the world, and owns a mining company and owns a bullion bank based in Australia, and also a trading participant in the stock exchange in Malaysia, a Sharia compliant, and now in the Philippines as Quantum Metal Philippines Incorporated, QMPI, no? So the first office in the Philippines is in Ayala FGU, Cebu City, no? So first office po dito, no? Sa Cebu. All right. You can see here on the left side, this is the owner of Quantum Metal, Dato Lim Kong Sun. He's the founder and executive chairman. He is based in Penang, Malaysia. And on the right side, you can see here, it's the Dato Lim with Muhammad Marin, no? So Muhammad Marin po ay isang Cebuano, no? So he's a Filipino. He's the one who brought Quantum Metal in the Philippines, no? Kaya po nandito po sa Pilipinas yung Quantum Metal. He saw the opportunity how Quantum Metal can really help a lot of Filipinos, no? Matutulungan talaga tayo dito, no? Kaya po dinala po ni Mr. Marin dito sa Pilipinas. Okay, so the company is Nasdaq listed po, no? Imagine pag sabihin natin Nasdaq is the king of stock exchange, no? Mga tech companies nililist po dito, like for example the Google, Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, marami pang iba, di ba? Nakalist po dito sa Nasdaq. So imagine, no, if Quantum Metal is listed in Nasdaq, definitely Quantum Metal is a legitimate company. Hindi po basta-basta makapasok sa Nasdaq. Your company must be solid and should have a top-notch management before tayo malist sa Nasdaq. So you may search it on the internet. Meron tayong ticker na QMEI, no? You can search it. Okay. So Brinks, what is Brinks? Brinks is a third-party storage facility. It operates around the world, no? We also have it in the Philippines, Cebu, Manila, no? So Brinks handles the cash here in the Philippines sa mga bangko, no? Sa mga ATM machines. So, but we chose Brinks Singapore as a storage because of the tax advantage in Singapore. And our gold in Singapore is 100% insured with Lloyd's of London, no? So alam natin pag Lloyd's, no? So Lloyd's Bank, so guaranteed mo, they are the one who insured Titanic, no? So some of the insurance companies are also insured with Lloyd's. So our gold here is 100% insured. Okay. So this is the mother company based in New York, the QMEI, Quantum Metal Exchange Inc. So under po tayo sa fintech, no? Financial technology po tayo. Okay. We are also exclusive distributor Perth Mint Gold. So Perth Mint is guaranteed by the Western government of Australia. So if you have this kind of gold, this is a guaranteed gold, no? Top of the line, no? Top 5 brand po itong Perth Mint Gold, no? Of course, LBMA certified din ito, no? Okay. So our licenses here in the Philippines, of course, we have SEC registration, SEC registered po tayo. We have the BIR, the mayor's permit, and of course, very important, we are AMLA certified company, no? So anti-money laundering. So we are a reporting body din, no? So our business model is we are a trading company, hindi po tayo investment company. Hindi rin tayo nasa cryptocurrency business, no? So we are a trading company. We buy and sell gold on e-commerce. Okay. Sharia law, no? So I mentioned to you a while ago, we are Sharia compliant. So what is Sharia law? Sharia law is an Islamic financial rules, very different from our banking system dito sa Pilipinas. Why? Because Sharia law is very strict, no, when it comes to finance, no? So number one, paying or charging of interest here is prohibited. So bawal po dito sa quantum metal yung interest, no? And businesses involved in forbidden activities like gambling, pornography, unlawful activities, drug money, bawal po dito sa quantum metal. The third one is uncertainty and risk. So meaning we are not selling something we do not have. We are not selling something we do not own. We are not selling a digital. We are not selling a promise. So the moment you put in money in quantum metal, meron pong equivalent physical gold. So meron pong exchange, no? So meron po tayong exchange, no, with physical gold. The fourth one is speculation. So meaning there is no promise of profit dito sa quantum metal. Wala po kaming sinasabi na we will double your money. In few days, few weeks, few months, we are not saying you'll earn 80%, 50%, 20%. Wala pong promise of profit po dito, no? So the only profit that we get is we always base it on the price of gold sa world market. Kung tataas yung presyo ng gold, then profitable yung business natin, then mag-profit sharing tayo lahat, no? If the price of gold will go down, then we just have to wait. Anyway, ang gold natin nandyan naman, no? Our gold is still there. Okay? So there is no promise of profit in quantum metal. Our corporate structure, no? So quantum metal is all over the world. We are in Australia, USA, United Kingdom, Malaysia, Singapore, Australia, Thailand, Philippines, United Kingdom, Indonesia. Recently, it opened in Qatar and China, and coming na din yung India and Dubai. No? So we are expanding worldwide. And this one is the corporate ecosystem. So ito po yung buong business ng quantum metal, why the business is sustainable, no? Okay. So from a holding company in USA, in New York, you can see here on the left side we have our own mining, the upstream business. So since we have our own mining, the supply is consistent, no? We have a sustainable supply of gold. In fact, quantum metal is also funding other mining companies, no? Like for example, the Besra in Australia, Besra Mining, recently quantum metal funded 300 billion US dollars, no? So kaya po sustainable yung gold natin. And quantum metal capital dito po under yung mga iba-ibang countries ng quantum metal, and also the Quantum Metal Bullion Bank. Used to be Australian Bullion Bank, pero binili po ni Quantum Metal, kaya po naging QM Bullion Bank, no? Okay, the Quantum Bullion Exchange Board, no, they handle our marketing and membership, and for our training is handled by the corporate university based in London. So, nasa London po ito, so we have our trainings online. And then, after the training, we have to take an exam. We have to pass the exam before we will be certified as consultant here in quantum metal, no? Okay, our business partners, no? Some of the business partners, the Affin Bank, no? Mga bangko. Imagine if banks have trusted quantum metal, meaning quantum metal is really a legitimate company. Because you know, banks have the capacity, have the facility to check on your company kung legitimate ba or hindi, no? So, they took them 3 to 4 years for due diligence before they allowed quantum metal to be their source of gold. So whenever their depositors wants to purchase gold, they buy it through quantum metal. Okay, so the company is also an awardee in the financial world because marami pong natulungan ng individuals because of our unique products. Okay. So why quantum metal gold, no? So marami namang gold dyan, bakit quantum metal, no? These are the reasons why. Number one is we have our own apps, no? So we have our own platform. So what's in our apps? You can download it for free on Google Play and App Store. So you can buy, you can sell, you can withdraw your physical gold. You can even transfer your gold from one account to another account, no? So you have the full control of your account. This is just like online banking, no? So sa online banking, no, like online banking, our money is in the bank, but we have the full control, no, on our account. So same concept, our gold is in Bring Singapore, but we have the full control on our account with our apps, no? Okay. Second is the fractional ownership. So meaning you can buy gold now as low as 200 pesos because it's fractional, no? So anyone can avail of gold already, not only for the rich people, but anyone can avail because it's fractional ownership. Second is liquidity. So meaning you are very liquid. Anytime you want to sell your gold, you just press the sell button. So automatic Quantum Metal will pay you, no? It will be deposited to your bank. The good news is whatever the price of the gold now, yun po ang rate na ibabayad sa atin, no? So this business is you don't have to look for any buyer because Quantum Metal is a ready buyer. You just press the sell button, just trade, and automatic papasok na po yung bayad sa bangko nyo, no? So you are very liquid. Flexibility. So we have products na you can make a 10% down payment and then you can pay the balance when you sell your gold, no? So very flexible in payment, no? So remember, you can pay the balance when you sell your gold. So very flexible. Second is next is borderless. So since we operate through the apps, internet, as long as you have the internet connection, you can access your account 24/7. You can trade as long as the market is open and the banks are open, no? So you can trade. Optional to convert to physical gold. So if you really want to get your physical gold, you just press the withdraw physical button. Then we can arrange, we can send it to your address. Or you may have somebody withdraw it for you in Malaysia, no? Because we have ATM machines in Malaysia. And coming na din yung sa Pilipinas. And transferability. So you can easily transfer your gold from one account to another account. You just scan the QR code or get a storage account number. You can easily transfer your gold. Okay. So economy recovery solutions. So ito po yung main goal ng company natin, no? Because all of us have gone through pandemic, marami naghirap. So these products came out during pandemic, no? Para matulungan talaga tayo. Okay, we have 4 products: the gold storage account, the gold convert account, the gold asset enhance 5 times, and the gold asset enhance 10 times. So the moment you will create an account in Quantum Metal, dalawa lang po ang gagawin nyo, no? First is you just separate your accounts from the expenses and the extra money, no? So i-separate nyo lang po yung money nyo. This is intended for expenses and the other one is intended for an extra money. Okay, so when you say you have money for expenses, so we suggest you put your money on the left side products, the gold storage account or the gold convert account. When you say you have extra money, so we suggest you put your money on the right side, the gold asset enhanced products. Why? Because malaki pong return doon, no? So i-separate lang yung pang expenses natin, yung pambayad ng kuryente, ng tubig, ng bahay, ng pagkain, the school fees, the insurances, and everything. As long as if you say it is for expenses, you should put it on the gold storage account and the gold convert account. Okay, so let's discuss the products one by one. So what is the gold storage account? We call it GSA, no? So it's just like you are opening a savings account in gold. You have the cash, you buy the physical gold, you have 2 options. Either you want to get your physical gold or leave it in Bring Singapore. But look, the moment you purchase gold, you converted your fiat currency to physical gold, you already have protected your money against inflation because it's now in a physical form, no? Physical gold na. Okay, so 2 options po. Pwede nyo kukunin ang gold or leave it in Brings. So suggestion, if you will get in few quantities, then that's alright, you can get it. But let's say you already have 10 kilos, 20 kilos, it's not practical. I think it's not practical to get the gold anymore. Why? Because of the security problem. Second is where we just store your gold. The third one is it insured? So that's that's a lot of questions, no? That's the questions we have to consider, no? So saan natin ilalagay yung gold? Okay. So ngayon, the question is how much is the price? So whatever the price of world market ngayon, may markup ng si Quantum Metal na 7%. So very minimal din, no? Because usually here in the Philippines, they double the price or they mark up 80% or 50%. But this one is only 7% from the London Metal Exchange price. Okay, we go to the next product. We call it the Gold Convert Account, GCA. So ano po itong GCA? So let's say for example, diba, when we buy gold, our money is locked in the gold, no? We have to wait na tataas yung presyo. But with this account, whatever your stored gold in Quantum Metal, you can take out 85% cash from the value of your gold. So you are unlocking the wealth in your gold, no? Because you can take out 85% cash, but you still own the gold. Diba? Okay. So since you took out 85% cash, the company will just charge us 3.5% per annum. So per annum po, no? It's 365 days, no? So that's per annum. And the good news is there is no due date. It's all up to you. When do you want to pay it back? Pay when able, no? As long as there's the management fee of 3.5% per annum. So it's all up to you, no? Okay. Let's say you just borrowed it for 20 days. So yun lang po i-compute, no? 20 days lang, no? I-prorate po yon because 3.5% is for the 365 days. Alright. Okay, now we go to this one, no? Monthly expenses, no? So lahat tayo meron po nito, no? Monthly expenses. We have the food, the utilities, house amortization, school fees, medical fees, car amortization, the travel, the loan, the insurances, and everything, no? So we all have monthly expenses. Ngayon, ang tanong, the question is, the money that we used to pay for all our expenses, is there a way na ma-recover pa natin yon? May chance pa bang ma-recover? Diba? Wala na because nagastos natin yun, kaya nga tinatawag na expenses. Diba? So it is impossible to recover. But here is the next question. What if we can recover all the money that we have spent? Would you be interested? Of course, lahat tayo ma-interesado, di ba? Because gusto natin mabawi lahat yung mga expenses natin. Pero dapat meron tayong gagawin, no? So, this is the what we are doing now. This is the poor mindset, no? Ito yung ginagawa natin. Income, expenses, pag kulang po, mangungutang po tayo. We get a loan, no? Or if you are social, you get a credit card, no? So you just swipe. Okay, swipe lang. And now the loan, meron pong due date, so we have to pay it from our income. Then we pay the loan. Ngayon kulang na naman, then we have to get a loan again, no? So reloan naman tayo. Kaya po, it's a poor mindset. It's a rat race, no? 90% are practicing this one because ito po yung tinuro ng educational system natin. Ito yung nakasanayan natin, no? The poor mindset. So ano pala yung rich mindset? Ang rich mindset is if you have income, do not pay right away to your expenses and loan. What you do is you must put it in the asset column first. Asset muna, pay yourself first before paying anything. So yun po ang gagawin natin, no? So this is the Quantum Metal way. If you have income, do not pay right away sa mga expenses nyo, no? Sa mga loan. What you do is you buy everything, 100% ng income nyo, ibili nyo po ng physical gold. 100%, convert your money as much as you can, as fast as you can to physical gold. And now, di ba ang question, paano na yung expenses ko? So what you do is, take out the 85%. No? You withdraw, EGCA mo, take out the 85%. You pay your expenses. Now, the question is, if you took out 85%, how much is left? Diba? Sabihin natin, it's 15%. No, correct yun, 15%. But here is the secret. Your income is money. You already converted your money to physical gold. Naging physical gold na po. Ang kinuha po natin na 85% is money, hindi po gold. Diba? We just borrowed the value of our gold. So therefore, the 100% weight of our gold nandito pa rin sa quantum metal, no? Kasi nanghiram lang tayo ng 85%. So since we have preserved the 100% weight, we have preserved the 100% value of our gold. If the price of gold, the growth or the price of gold is more than the 85% that you borrowed, then na-recover mo na lahat yung nakuha mong 85%. Diba? Okay. So if ang growth ng gold is more than the 85, then you have recovered your money. Okay, let's give it an example, no? Para maintindihan natin. Let's say, for example, you have 10,000 pesos, then you bought gold, 100%, 10,000. Then you need the money, so you took out the 85%, no? Binayad nyo po doon sa expenses. But here, you still have the 10,000 worth of gold, no? Na-preserve yung gold nyo dito. Then, ginawa nyo po yan in 1 year. So, 10,000 a month. So, nakaipon po kayo in 1 year ng 120,000 worth of gold. But in reality, you are taking out 85 per month. So, yung 102,000, wala na po yan, no? Sa isang taon, wala na yan. Naggastos na yan. You did it for 5 years, no? 10,000 a month times 60 months. So, kaya po, nakaipon ka ng 600,000 worth of gold. But in reality din, nag-withdraw ka rin ng 85 per month. So the 510,000 is gone. Okay. So granting in 5 years, no, based on the trend, no, tumataas yung presyo ng gold. In 5 years, nagdoble yung presyo ng gold. So it will be based on the 600, no? So ang 600 nyo, magiging 1.2 million yan. Kasi nagdoble yung presyo ng gold. Now, when you sell your gold, automatic, you have to pay back the 85% that you borrowed plus the management fees. So more or less 600,000 yan. Then you get the extra 600,000 pesos. Diba? Saan po kayo makakita ng ganito? Because you have spent 510,000 in 5 years, now you get an extra of 600,000. Diba? So this time, your expense is now your asset. Diba? Kasi sa accounting terms, it's really impossible to make the expense into an asset. But with quantum metal, you can make your expense into an asset. No? Okay. So kasi given na po yan expenses, wala natin magagawa. We have to spend every month. We have to spend every month. Diba? Given na yon. But if you do the quantum metal way, before paying anything, you are giving yourself a chance to recover of what you have paid. Diba? Amazing? So, let's say for example, bibili po kayo ng kotse, 1 million. Diba? Usual way of paying the car, you make a down payment, you make a monthly amortization. After 5 years, sa inyo na po yung kotse. Diba? Nabayaran na yung bangko, pero medyo nag-depreciate na yung kotse. But if you do the quantum metal way, before making a down payment, you add 15%, then buy gold, withdraw the 85, make a down payment. Same with the monthly amortization. You add 15, buy gold, withdraw the 85, make a monthly amortization. After 5 years po, nabayaran nyo na yung bangko, nasa inyo na yung kotse, pag tumaas yung presyo ng gold, mabawi mo lahat yung binayad mo sa bangko. Because tumaas yung gold. Diba? So, ganito po, no? Makakatulong talaga itong if we buy gold first before paying anything. Alright. So, this product is intended for expenses. Now, we go to our extra money. So, ano po yung extra money? Dito po tayo sa ibang products natin, no? So we call this a GAE 10X, no? Gold Asset Enhanced 10 times. So this product is sold per unit, no? One unit costs around $250. You can buy 1 unit, 2 units, or more. Depende po sa inyo, no? Okay. So dito po, ang markup ni Quantum Metal is only 3%. Hindi na po 7%, no? So 3% na lang. So mas cheaper na yung markup ni Quantum Metal. So let's assume yung presyo ni Quantum Metal is at $60 per gram. So the moment you put in $250, i-divide po yan ni Quantum Metal, no? Sa $60. So now you own 4.16 grams with your 250. Okay? So the moment na papasok ito sa system, ita times 10 po ni Quantum Metal, no? Magiging 2,500 na yung 250 natin kasi times 10. Paano po nangyari yon? Quantum Metal let us borrow the 9 units and then plus isang units atin, kaya po naging 10 lahat. So we now own 2,500 worth of gold, no? Okay. So if the price of gold will go up, it will be based on the 2.5, not on your 250. Diba? So, hindi po sa puhunan natin, but on 2.5. So, let's say, for example, tumaas yung presyo ng 10%. So, 10% of 2.5 is $250. So, kung isipin natin, we are already 100% sa puhunan natin. 250 lang nilagay mo, but you earn 250. So, that's 100%. Pero yung increase ng price is only 10%. Bakit po nangyari yon? Because pinahiram tayo ni Quantum Metal, no? As long as when we sell the gold, we pay back the flexi payments. Kasi sa kanya yon, di ba? So we pay back, we get our puhunan and our profit. Di ba? So every time tumatama po ng 10%, nagdo-double po ang money natin, no? So again, it's all up to the price of gold. Wala naman tayong promise dito, no? So, depende po sa presyo ng gold. Basta every 10%, mag-double po yung presyo na yung puhunan natin. So, the difference between Quantum Metal gold and between the stock market and the forex, kasi yung stock market and forex, if the price will go up, then you gain. If the price will go down, sometimes you have to top up, di ba? Kailangan may margin call, kailangan mo mag-abono kasi mawawala po yung account natin kasi mag-negative, di ba? But here, kasi the moment you put in money here, i-equate ka agad yan to weight of gold. So even if the price of gold will go negative, hindi po maiiba yung weight ng gold, di ba? If you have 1 kilo, kahit na mag-negative, it's still 1 kilo. So, hindi po nawawala yung pera natin. So, in this case, if hindi po nawawala yung pera natin kahit na mag-negative, then we can do the compounding. No? So, meaning, for example, we put in 250, pag tumama po ng 10%, we gain 250, then on the next time, we buy 2 units already kasi naka-compound tayo. So, we do that, no? We do that 10 times. No? Kasi, on the average, per year, nag-spike po, mag-spike yan ang presyo ng gold 4 to 5 times in a year at 10%, no? So, nag-spike ng 10%. This year, it went up 4 times na, nag 10% ng presyo ng gold. So, if we can target 10 times in 5 years, which is very possible, 10 times of 10% in 5 years, imagine if we can do the compounding. Yung 250 natin is around 14,000 pesos po yun, di ba? Kung ma-compound natin 10 beses sa 5 taon po, yung 14,000 natin magiging 14 million. No, you can check it on your calculator. 14,000 times 2, that is 20,000, and then you press the equal sign 9 times. Diba, magiging 14 million po yon. That's the power of compounding. Kasi hindi po nawawala yung pera natin kahit na mag-negative dito. Because this is a weight of gold. Diba? So, amazing talaga, no? Okay. So let's say, for example, if you have 1 million, so times 10, you have 10 million gold holdings. Kung makyat ng 10%, now you gain 1 million. That's already 100% of your puhunan, di ba? So ibenta mo na, you gain already. So how much more if you put in 10 million, di ba? 100 million na yon. Hindi na kailangan 10% ng hintayin mo. Kahit na 1% lang akyat ng presyo ng gold, you already gain 1 million. So, benta mo na, no? So, it's all up to you. Okay? Again, we do not control the price of gold, no? So, it's the market price, no? We always base it on the market price. Okay. So, this is just a comparison between buying gold in a jewelry store and Quantum Metal. So nakita natin dito, we have the same capital, we bought it the same price, but different weight of gold kasi times 10 dito sa Quantum Metal. So of course, if we sell it at a new price, malaki talaga ang return dito sa Quantum Metal because in concept, Quantum Metal will let us borrow some units to gain weight of gold, to gain from it, and then you just pay it back, yung puhunan. Kaya po malaki ang kikitain po dito if you do the Quantum Metal, no? Okay. So ito po ay gold price performance, no? This is a real data. We just use the 5 years data. 61.31%, no? If we update ito ngayon as of today, papalo po ito ng 72%. But we just use the old one, 61.31%. Let's try to simulate this data to our products. Ano po mangyayari, no? Okay. Let's say, for example, 2018, the price of gold was around 2,000 per gram. And 2023, it's around 3.2. But now it's 3.5 per gram. So, may gain po na 1,226. So, we go back to 2018, no? You bought some gold, and then you were able to amass 1 million worth of gold. But you have converted already, no? Kinuha nyo po yung 850 kasi ginamit nyo, di ba? So basically, may naiwan ka lang na 150,000. But when the price of gold went up by 61%, it will still be based on the 1 million, hindi po sa 150 na naiwan, no? So yung 1 million natin sa itaas, nagiging 1.6. We sell the gold, we pay back the 850. Then we get the 700,000 extra, no? So basically yung 150 natin sa itaas nagiging 700 in 5 years. Okay, so we go to another scenario. You put your 1 million on the 10x, so your 1 million becomes 10 million worth of gold. Umakyat ng 61%, so nagiging 16 million. Then we sell it back, then we get the extra 7 million. Your 1 million becomes 7 million in 5 years based on the real data. Diba? Pero how much more if na-compound natin itong 1 million? If you can compound 1 million, you do it 10 times, magiging 1 billion po yon. So again, the risk is nasa atin because we have the full control. Well, we can take our money anytime we like, no? Nasa atin po yung control. Okay, we go to the next slide. So this one is how to be an introducer, no? How to qualify for some discounts, no? When you purchase. So you also earn here from the referrals. So minimum requirement lang to be an introducer is just 1 unit of GA10X. So more or less mga 18,000 plus, no? Pesos kasi may management fee. So as soon as you bought 1 unit, automatic you'll become an introducer. So you can already, when you're white as introducer, you can already avail of the 2% discount on your next purchase. Pag may bibili din directly under sa inyo, you get a 2% commission. Okay? So if you want to be promoted to yellow, just get 5 direct members under you who will buy also 1 unit each, no? 250 GA10X. Then accumulate sales of $7,500 or 30 units of GA10X, no? So once ma-reach nyo na po yan, lahat po ito cumulative. Wala po tayong cut-off, walang due date, walang qualifying. You're not required to purchase every month. This is all up to you. Community po lahat, no? So once maabot nyo yung 7,500, you'll be promoted to yellow. Then you get to enjoy the 7% discount on your next purchase or 7% commission and enjoy the 5% override commissions from the sales of your members, no? So on the average, mag-earn po kayo ng 200 to 300,000 pesos yung yellow. And for the blue is 3 to 5 million per month. And for the black is 3 to 5 million per day, no? Amazing talaga. But marami na po is earning even more than that, no? So very amazing because we are dealing gold, no? Okay. So last slide. If you had a chance to listen today and do not practice it 5 years from now, you are not helping yourself to see changes in your life, no? So what I have presented to you, baliwala po ito pag walang action, no? So depende po sa atin, no? It's all about choice. What we are today is because of what we have decided 5 years ago. What we want to be, depende kung ano i-decide natin today, no? So it's all up to you, no? Okay. So this is what we say, the greatest wealth building opportunity in history, because this is the greatest wealth transfer in history ngayon, no? Because of the overprinting of money, no, magkaka-world inflation po tayo, and surely the price of gold will shoot up. Okay, so how to register? Since we are not into network marketing business, we are not direct selling business, we are not selling any kits or registrations, so all registrations are for free. You just get the link from the one who invited you, register your government ID, and upload your bank account. Then you're good to go, no? Pa-approve natin sa Malaysia for our KYC. It is very important for know your customer, no? Okay. So I'll just show you a video of Miss Jillian. Siya po nag-withdraw ng physical gold sa Penang, Malaysia sa head office, no? All right.
Hi! I'm going to withdraw the Continental Gold. Let me have the insert card. I have the key. See, I have a lot. This is 1 kilogram and 10 grams. See? Yes. So next time you come here to Penang and you want to withdraw your gold. Ciao!
So this is the 100 grams. No, this costs around 400,000 pesos per piece. You can withdraw from the ATM machine 10 grams, 20 grams, 50 grams, 100 grams, 500 grams, and up to 1 kilo. Maximum per transaction is 30 kilos. No, you can withdraw. Okay, for our website, you can check more information on our website, quantummetal.com.ph or QM Exchange the World. No? Alright, so that ends our presentation. Thank you and good morning.